Now we'll make the second layer for the box. For that, we will use the same hexagon that we used earlier. Now fold this hexagon back along this center line. Now mark 2 3/4 inch point on this edge and on this edge and draw the line joining the points. So here we got the hexagon with the sides of length 2 3/4 inch. Now we'll use this hexagon to make the second layer. I've taken orange color cardstock paper for the second layer, and on this paper we'll trace this hexagon, and this time we'll trace only one hexagon. We will make flaps for this layer. For that we will need 6 pieces of cardstock paper of size 4 inch by 5.5 inch. Here I have 2 pieces as I already made 4 of them. So now we'll make 2. Now place the 5.5 inch side at the top and score at 2 3/4 inch. Turn the paper 90 degree and score at 3.5 inch. Now fold this line. Now cut the corner of this 1/2 inch strip. Now open and draw the diagonal line in this rectangle, joining this point with this corner. This line. Now apply glue here. The second piece and score at 2 3/4 inch. Now turn the paper 90 degree and score at 3.5 inch. Glue these flaps on the sides of the hexagon. Now we'll make the third layer, and for that we will use the same hexagon. Now fold this hexagon along the central line like this, and now mark 2.5 inch point on this edge and on this edge, and draw a line joining these 2 points. Now this is the hexagon with the side of length 2.5 inch. Now take the cardstock paper, color of your choice, and trace and cut out this hexagon from this paper. Now we will make flaps for this layer. For that we will need 6 pieces of cardstock paper of size 3.5 inch by 5.5 inch. Here I have 2 pieces and I already made 4 of them. Now place 5.5 inch side at the top and score at 2.5 inch, 5 inch. Turn the paper to 90 degree and score at 3 inch. Now draw the diagonal in this rectangle joining this point and this point. Now fold this score line. Now we have to glue this part over here like this. We'll make the fourth layer, and again we will use the same hexagon that we used earlier. Fold this hexagon along the central line like this. Now mark 2 1/4 inch point on this edge and on this edge and draw the line joining these points. Here we got the hexagon with the side of length 2 1/4 inch. Now again take the cardstock paper, color of your choice, and trace this hexagon on this paper and cut it out. We will make flaps for this layer. For that we will need 6 pieces of cardstock paper of size 2 1/4 inch by 8 inch. Now keeping the 8 inch side at the top, we will score them at 2 1/2 inch, 5 inch and 7 1/2 inch. Now fold the lines. Now cut the corners of this 1/2 inch strip. This is 1/4 inch strip and it is 3 1/2 inch long. We'll glue this at the bottom. Now apply glue on this part and on this part. Now here at this moment you can decorate your layers before gluing them on each other.